Hello, my name is Perel Laquarius Brown.
And my name is Brandon Curington.
Thank you for coming here to look for this. Today we're going to look how you will handle this sound.
Also, did you know that this sound is so famous for the pranksters to use, that so much people couldn't even handle it? It will sound like a balloon popping. So get your headphones, turn your volume up, and I'll start in 3, 2, 1.
And we're finally done.
How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Since most people can't handle it.
Let me know in the comments. And I almost forgot. Bye.
Goodbye.